Hello everybody, I'm Clara Melchiori, clinical specialist for women's health in ESAOTE, and I'm here to present you the BreastNav MRI and BreastNav, the two latest ESAOTE technologies in breast ultrasound imaging.
Breast cancer is the most common diagnosis malignancy in women worldwide, and although screenings with mammogram are the most effective method to detect early stages pathologies, a cross-modality imaging approach is becoming increasingly important in breast applications. Thus, ultrasound and MRI are being used in the detection and monitoring of this disease.
According to the literature, fusion imaging can be really useful to perform second-look ultrasound to find and eventually biopsy suspect lesions identified on MRI. But unfortunately, it is not always easy. Usually, as you know, MRI is performed in prone position, while ultrasound is performed in supine position.
So, some further MRI series have to be acquired in supine position to facilitate the correlation between the two modalities. This adds complexity, and it is not always enough to guarantee a good synchronization.
That's the perfect situation in which BreastNav MRI can bring you a real value. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the algorithm is able to manage breast deformation and will allow you to perform the fusion imaging between prone MRI and supine ultrasound. But now, let's see together how it works. BreastNav MRI kit is composed by an electromagnetic field transmitter, an antenna receiver, and the support for the antenna on the linear probe. Once you have positioned your transmitter close to your patient at around 50-70 cm, your examination can start. In order to perform the examination, you start loading from the archive your MRI series, which can be uploaded from a PAX, a CD, or even a USB stick. And then you enter your standard exam by selecting probe, application, and preset. With the aim of accelerating the loading phase, ESAOTE has implemented the Go to VNAV shortcut. So, by pressing Archive and then this button from the touchscreen, the system automatically enters in BreastNav MRI environment and load all the series needed for the procedure. Then, once it is done, you can put one or more virtual targets on the suspect lesion. So you press Bold Target from the touchscreen, you position the point, and you can change the size and the color and confirm. Now you need to synchronize MRI with ultrasound. We call this step registration. To proceed, 5 anatomical landmarks need to be taken in order to readapt the model on the basis of the MRI series. In order to speed up the entire BreastNav MRI workflow, ESAOTE has developed an algorithm able to automatically detect and segment breast anatomy and to propose, in less than 1 minute, the 5th anatomical reference point positioning. You have only to press Breast Landmark from the touchscreen for an automatic proposal of the 5th landmark position. Then you can modify one or more of them by clicking once on the dedicated panel and two times on the MRI series to position the point in the desired location. Then you can confirm the alignment when everything is done, and you can anticipate all the steps till now simply by pressing Save Configuration from the touchscreen. Then, with your patient on the bed, you have only to sweep your ultrasound probe horizontally and vertically in order to finalize the registration. Supported by artificial intelligence with the 3D adaptive model algorithm, BreastNav MRI will able to reshape your breast model and relocate your lesion inside it. Now, registration is done, and this is the phase of navigation. The virtual target or targets that you have previously inserted on your MRI will automatically appear on your real-time ultrasound when you will reach the target area, thus really facilitating its localization. Different layout can be set, just scrolling the knob, in order to see only the plane you are interested into. BreastNav MRI appears as a truly an innovative tool to support some complex ultrasound second look examination. Its easy and fast management may allow you to integrate it in your second look protocols. Side BreastNav MRI, another innovative tool, can be really useful, in particular in the follow-up of some lesions in breast ultrasound imaging. Let me present you now ESAOTE BreastNav technology.
Sometimes, due to the presence of multiple lesions, the follow-up can be complicated to differentiate during an ulterior ultrasound examination some cysts or other lesions.
The idea is to provide you a tool which marks them in order to facilitate their follow-up when the patient will be back, despite the changes in her breast density or her different position.
BreastNav methodology is also based on a 3D adapted modelization, which allows you to set a target inside the volume and then to find it again in a very effective and easy way.
The model is set adaptive because it is specific for each patient. Moreover, the tool is able to provide you visual feedback of the area covered by the probe. Once again, let's see together how it works. Like BreastNav MRI, BreastNav kit is composed by an electromagnetic field transmitter, an antenna receiver, and a support for the antenna on the linear probe. Your examination can start once you have positioned your transmitter at around 50-70 cm from your patient. By pressing BreastNav on the touchscreen, we enter in an environment in which we can choose the model, either in a 3D or a 2D format, and where we can select the laterality, meaning the left or the right breast. As you can see, the protocol to adapt the model is very easy and fast, since you have only to perform two sweeps, one horizontal and one vertical. Once done, the correlation between the patient and the model is effective. Then you can start the routine breast examination, and if you find a suspect lesion or a lesion that you would like to follow up, you press Ball Target from the touchscreen and you save it, and automatically it will be saved on a model tool. At any time, you can save the configuration with the patient breast model and the target for an ulterior follow-up. When your patient will be back for the follow-up, you have only to reload a previous exam. Then you only need to redo the registration phase in order to take into consideration her new shape and her different position. But then you can go directly to ultrasound imaging comparison in order to find back your lesion. Indeed, you have this lighter indication that suggests you how to find back your lesion. As you have seen, BreastNav protocol is really simple and can be used to support you in finding back some lesions, especially in dense breasts. In addition, I want to show you another interesting tool from BreastNav, that is the sweep acquisition. As you can see from here, you have your green sweep everywhere you scan. You can record this during your examination, and what is interesting is that everything it will be saved with the ultrasound clip, and you can review everything later, also when the patient is gone. To conclude, BreastNav MRI and BreastNav are two innovative technologies developed around our vision to empower each single imaging modality in order to support at the best your mission. Detection and follow-up are key points to increase the chance of success against cancers, and in this case, breast cancers. I hope you find this presentation interesting, and if you have any particular question, please feel free to contact us or visit our website. Thank you for your kind attention.